Neat.
Whoa. Does the Easter Bunny know what to get you?
He's showing Doggy.
Mom, press the button.
Mom, you want to play with like
Oh yeah, I want to try yours.
okay.
Do you know where to press? Press here, Sam. See? Press the button. Press the button there. Here it is. Press the button. Press the button.
Like this.
You want to eat those animal crackers? Oh, okay. How about we have some kicks first?
Oh yes, I know.
Oh, yes, you want kicks?
I'll play my train.
Okay.
And my crackers. I don't want to look at it.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
No,
that's the
thanks, Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny got it for you.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Yay!
Say happy Easter.